Hey, to add photo to contact on the Samsung Galaxy M15 5G, first you have to open your app drawer and go into the contacts. Then from the list, let's say that I want to change photo for this contact. And now I have to click right here if I don't have any photo. So for example, take a look on this one. If I don't have photo and click here, okay, now it doesn't work because there's like no number. So let's do this one more time and click on this edit button. Now, when you click on this photo, you can actually choose something from your camera or the gallery. Let's go to the gallery, for example. Let's pick this one. From this, you can also change the scale. Click done. And as you can see, this is the preview of how this looks. And to confirm, you have to click save. And as you can see, that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe.